Okay guys, this will give you a little update on what I'm doing. Okay, so my cow tank came in, and but anyway, I got to look at this. I said, you know what, I'm gonna do everything underneath this dash that I want to do before I put the cow tank on, because hey, I want to stand on my head laying down on that floor. So I'm going to do a lot of work underneath here. I'm going to put probably some PR-15 in here, clean this up. I'm going to go ahead and do the dash. I'm going to go ahead and get the dash all outfitted. Do all the wiring, fix it up while I'm under here, clean all the wiring up, fix it up, and some other stuff that I want to do, you know, before I put the cow tank in. That way I'll have all this done and completed and fixed up. It's a good time to clean up your fuse box too. I got in there and sandpapered all that, or wire wheeled it, all my little fuse holders in here. And anyway, that's what I'm doing, just give you an update. Okay, all right, have a good one.